Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you work an 8-hour shift and you have to come home and prepare dinner, whether it's for the family or for yourself, listen guys, this recipe right here is a lifesaver. These ground beef lettuce wrap are delicious and so easy to do. So come with me guys, let me show you how easy and quick is this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's do this guys. I am actually starting with 6 cloves of garlic. If you've seen my videos guys, I love cooking with garlic. Garlic gives food such a delicious flavor. Now you have to be very, very careful. You don't want your dish to be overpowered by garlic. Let's go ahead and mince the garlic. So here we have our next ingredient. We have some bell pepper. I like using these little sweet bell peppers. Sometimes I buy these big bell peppers. I probably use half, put it in the refrigerator. I completely forget I had it there and it goes bad. So you know what? I'd rather buy these small little bags of sweet bell peppers. And you know what? To me, they last longer. And here we have it guys. Of course, we're gonna use a red onions it is for me. Why do they call it red onion guys? It looks purple to me. Anyhow, whatever onion you have, whether it's white, purple, blue, yellow onion it is guys. This is gonna give this ground beef a delicious taste as well. And of course, guys, I left the best for last, cilantro, guys. Of course, I'm going to put some cilantro in this ground beef. This is my sofrito right here, guys. It's going to be so, so good. And let's get cooking, guys. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil to your pan. Listen, guys, I use canola oil, olive oil, whatever oil you want to use, whatever you fancy, guys. We're going to go ahead and saute all the ingredients, because this is going to really elevate the flavors. We're going to go ahead and probably cook this 3 to 4 minutes. And of course, guys, I always leave the garlic for last. You don't want the garlic to burn. You don't want that, guys. You really don't, okay? So I'll give it a few more minutes. And you know what? We're going to be ready to put the delicious ground beef in our pot. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. Just look at the colors. The smells are divine. We're gonna go ahead and season our ground beef. I'm gonna add some salt. And guys, season to taste. We're gonna go ahead and add some black pepper. And be generous, guys. And remember, season to taste. Got some onion. I know guys, we have onions and garlic in here, but we're gonna do that extra onion and that extra garlic powder. Of course, I'm gonna do some cayenne pepper. Hey, listen guys, again, don't be shy. If you wanna skip the spices, you can go ahead and skip that. I'm adding some red pepper flakes for that extra spiciness. And of course, I'm gonna do some sazon for that beautiful color and of course the taste. Look how beautiful this is looking, guys. I wish you guys were here. I have some tomato sauce. I'm doing actually half a can of tomato, and I'm gonna add a little apple cider vinegar. And the apple cider vinegar again is also optional. Put half a cup of water. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this nicely. I want to make sure the meat is not in chunks. Gonna go ahead and cover this, and it's going to cook for a good 20 to 25 minutes. And guys, here's key. once the meat is completely cooked, 20-25 minutes like I said prior, let it sit, guys. Let it sit for a bit before serving. I'm going to be using some romaine lettuce. We got some tomatoes. We have some cheese, of course, whatever cheese you fancy, guys. That's really optional. And yes, I have more red pepper flakes. Guys, look how pretty this ground beef looks. Guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was so easy to do. And even me that cook every single day, actually Monday through Thursdays, there are days that I don't feel like cooking, guys. So simple dinners like these are perfect. They are actually healthy and they're so easy but delicious, guys. So delicious. You know what? Of course, I have to try this. Guys, they were delicious. They were so delicious. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I think I nailed it. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching.